Yeah. I mean, apparently, just like a queef, apparently a penis can fart as well.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
What?
It might be something. It might be.
No.
Oh, Anna.
Oh, Anna's getting so many lessons today.
Anna.
I don't want to explain it. I know what that is. Someone else do it. I'm not doing that.
Okay, so let me first. Dick farts or quoths are rare phenomenon compared to queefs because it is much harder for air to become stuck in a man's urethra than in a woman's comparatively large vagina. Quoths occur most frequently after a catheter has been inserted into the penis and removed, leaving air trapped in the bladder of the urethra. So that makes sense, right? So you get a catheter done, which, to be honest, I've never had to. It sounds absolutely agonizing. And then sometimes you pull it out, some air escapes and it goes. So Anna,
are we talking about the penis or the vagina?
That's the penis. That's the penis. So a queef is the vaginal version of that. How do you imagine this happens to a vagina, Anna?
I don't know. I fart from my asshole.
As do we all. She's just like me, for real, for real.
If a fart is made in a penis when something is pushed inside and makes air come out, how would that happen to a vagina, Anna?
Any number
I'm
of
a
ways.
virgin.
So you figured it out. Okay, we can move on.
Anna figured it out.
She figured it out. Okay, anyway.
Oh, hey.
It's my favorite game.
Well, I'm not very loose right now after hosting.
You know, if I go back and play some Cards Against Humanity with Michelle.
Oh my god, I
conversation we just had, that was an intro. Yeah, exactly. I know. After the conversation we just had, I was like,
yeah, I was like, Solange.
Oh wait, no.
What? You said loose right after our conversation.
No, that's a good conversation.
You guys, you've
my inner demon in the home.
Conversation.
Oh my god. You've heard it here first.
That's all you.
No, that's not me. No one was thinking about that.
Solen loose Tatsuki. What a shame.
Tatluski.
Taluski.
Make a trend, guys. Make a trend.
Taluski.
Please, God, no, please don't make this my legacy.